I don't know anything about BMWs, and I chose to build a BMW like an idiot. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ralph's Garage. Another episode on the E36 LS build. Today I'm going to tackle a little bit of wiring. This is some stuff that I've been kind of dreading doing, and that is the whole factory front harness that it runs, you know, along the radiator support here, powers your headlights, your blinkers, your fog lights. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I need it to power. There's all kinds of weird stuff like this. You know, so it's just kind of a mess of things that are cut and bare wires. And then there's all this, which I think is like a ground block. This seems like a pretty inefficient way to join all your grounds together. And the whole thing is like that. There's just, you know, garbage the whole length of this, but it lays across this way like that. So this is the harness for this passenger headlight over here. Cut everything that I don't need out of this harness. We'll see what I have left, what I need to do to fix and figure out what all these plugs are, because I really don't even know. I really don't know anything about BMWs. I'm like, you know, you guys know from me building this car that I don't really know anything about BMW, so I don't even know which of these is the headlight plug or the high beam plug. So there's going to be a lot of multimeter action going on. I'm going to put you guys on the clamp cam. Alright guys, the GoPro died on me, and I was kind of in the zone, so I just let it go. But I stripped out the whole front wiring harness, and these are the only wires that I'm going to use. I got rid of those big grounding blocks. I brought my grounds together. I'm going to ground the harness here, and then I got one thick wire that runs over here, and all my grounds are coming together for this side right here. I identified what I believe to be the washer tank plug. It's the only one that I could find that plugs into there that's from this area. And then I got my two headlight plugs here. And I'm not 100% sure what's going on with these headlights, because this is coming out of the headlight. And then this is also coming out of the headlight. And then this is also coming out of the headlight. But I tried different combinations of plugging them in, and it looks like the gray plugs are the low beams, which go into these ballasts, which came with these headlights came with the car. I do not like them. They're going to change, but for now, they're going to light up the road for me so I can get on the road with it. But they're very blue. Let me show you what they look like. They're super ugly. I don't know why people put these kind of lights on their car. It looks terrible. They're super blue. I'm back, guys. Jay stopped by.
Yo!
He's here to hook me up with some B-roll. He brought his fancy rig.
Yeah, because you don't shoot none.
Yeah, I don't.
I mean, not none. Just
I don't B-roll.
Not much.
Very well.
So I'm here to B-roll.
And when I do B-roll, it's like this.
It's all good. We'll get some good slow-mo for you.
Yeah. So this thing is pretty sweet. Look at that.
Precision shots.
Get some B-roll of the B-roll getting shot. So let me give you an update on what I got done with the wiring harness for the front here. I got rid of the automatic transmission plug, the second plug. I got rid of that. That's inside the fuse box now. The ABS pump wiring I ran through the fuse box, so I only have one harness that runs along here. And then it splits up. Here, I got all my grounds come to this one point. These are temporarily there, that's not. And then the harness runs along here. And then on this side, I got headlights, blinker, and washer fluid, which isn't working right now, but I'm gonna fix that. I think what I'm gonna do now is get the intake kind of situated, figure this out. I'm gonna have to extend my MAF sensor plug to bring it over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I definitely have to fix that fuel pressure problem. Yeah, you could literally see that, like, this is fuel.
That's kids. Wow.
But I like that intake. And it still fits with this. I don't know why I'm like obsessed with, wow, being on myself. Ah, you were recording me.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what friends are for.
Okay, so I just have to turn the MAF a little bit because the plug hits.
Yeah,
but that's not a big deal. I can just rotate it. Yeah,
exactly. Sweet.
You got a video of me peeing on myself.
Urinating on herself.
Urination. This doesn't even work.
You need a new pump?
Nah, I'm not getting power here. And I think this is the right plug because it's the only one in this whole harness.
It's shaped weird.
That
it's gotta
fits into there, yeah.
It's gotta be.
It's the only one that fits in there. So, yeah. But I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah, looks good.
watching. I appreciate all the views. If you guys keep watching, I'm going to keep making videos. So hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. And until the next one, see you later.
Come on, focus, motherfucker.